Most guys think talking to girls is about saying the right thing. It's not. It's about feeling the right thing. Because connection doesn't start with words. It starts with presence. And when you understand that, you stop chasing approval and start creating connection. So let's talk about how to talk to girls. Not from tricks or pickup lines, but from the psychology of real human attraction. You've probably felt it. That tension right before you walk up to a girl. Your chest tightens, your voice feels stuck in your throat, and your mind races. What if I say something stupid? What if she rejects me? That fear isn't weakness, it's biology. The human brain is wired to seek acceptance, especially from people we find attractive. Thousands of years ago, rejection from the tribe meant isolation. So your nervous system still treats social rejection like danger. When you understand that, the fear becomes less personal. You stop fighting it. You realize it's just your brain trying to keep you safe. And ironically, the moment you stop trying to hide that fear, you become more genuine and more attractive. Once you stop seeing fear as the enemy, you can finally focus on what really creates connection: curiosity. Most people talk to impress, but people connect through curiosity. When you meet a girl, don't think, what can I say to make her like me? Think, who is she? What's behind that smile? Curiosity shifts your focus outward. It moves your attention from self-judgment to genuine interest. It turns pressure into play. Ask open-ended questions, not interrogation. What kind of things make you lose track of time? What's something that instantly lifts your mood? These aren't tricks, they're windows. They show her that you see her, not just her looks. And when someone feels seen, they naturally open up. But curiosity alone isn't enough. To truly connect, you need to make her feel something even more powerful: safe. Here's something most people miss. The foundation of attraction isn't appearance, it's emotional safety. When you talk to someone who feels calm, grounded, and non-judgmental, your nervous system relaxes. You feel safe being yourself. That's what makes connection magnetic. Not charm, not looks, but presence. So before you focus on what to say, check your inner state. Are you anxious? Trying to prove yourself? Overthinking every word? Take a breath. Slow down your pace. Speak a little softer. Your calmness tells her subconscious mind, you're safe here. And that's when real connection begins. And when she feels safe, she'll start talking. That's when your next skill becomes everything: how you listen. Talking to girls, or anyone, is 90% listening. But not passive listening. Active, emotional listening. That means you don't just hear the words, you feel the emotion behind them. If she says, "Work's been crazy lately," don't just nod. Ask, "What's been making it crazy?" Or, "How are you handling that?" That small curiosity tells her you're actually tuned in. You're giving her space to exist fully, and that's rare. Most people wait to talk. The ones who truly listen stand out instantly. And once you start listening deeply, you'll notice something else start to shift: your confidence. Real confidence isn't loud. It's quiet. It's not, "I'm the best." It's, "I'm okay no matter how this goes." That kind of confidence comes from self-acceptance. When you don't need approval, you become free to be real. The irony? That's exactly what draws people in. You can sense it, that ease in someone who's comfortable in their own silence. They don't rush to fill the space. They don't perform. They just are. That's magnetic. And once you feel that calm confidence, you start to notice connection in the smallest, most subtle ways. Connection doesn't happen in grand gestures. It happens in micro moments. Eye contact, shared laughter, a pause after a meaningful sentence. When you're present, you start noticing these moments. You see when she leans in slightly or mirrors your tone. You catch the spark in her eyes when something resonates. Those are signals of safety and connection, subtle but powerful. You don't have to chase them. You just have to stay aware enough to notice when they appear. And if you're wondering what this looks like in real life, let's make it practical. You're at a cafe. You notice a girl reading a book you've read before. Instead of panicking about the perfect opener, you simply say, "That's a great book. How far in are you?" It's natural. It's relevant. It opens the door to conversation. Or maybe you're in a class or co-working space. She's working on something that looks interesting. You say, "That looks intense. What project is that?" Again, curiosity, not performance. And if she's open to talking, it'll flow naturally. If she's not, that's okay too. Because your worth doesn't depend on her response. You weren't chasing validation. You were practicing connection. That's growth. Here's the truth. Learning how to talk to girls isn't about girls. It's about learning how to talk to humans, including yourself, with empathy, curiosity, and courage. Every time you choose authenticity over performance, you grow closer to the kind of connection that lasts. So if you want to keep understanding how the mind, emotions, and connection really work, subscribe now. Because the next time you hesitate to speak, you'll wish you had the tools to express yourself fearlessly.